have cereals which contain like muesli, a number of grains, because they think it's good for you. You've got fiber, everything. But all of them are there in nature. All of them are in nature. There are so many food grains are there and tuber crops are there. And so you can widen the community food bank. In fact, it's not a theoretical concept. A group of women, mainly women and men in Koraput, Kalahandi, Koraput, Balangir is called one of the hunger hotspots of our country, the KBK region of Orissa, for a very long time. But then what the women have done is, they have a lot of varieties of rice. In fact, they were given the Genome Savior Award recently, Genome Savior Award for their conservation. They have conserved thousands of strains of rice, which are very good nutritionally, medicinally, and from drought and so on. And so they maintain a field gene bank. They maintain a seed bank, because sometimes drought comes, they lose their seeds. Then they maintain a grain bank and then the water bank, so that this initiative was recognized at Johannesburg 2002, the Sustainable Development Summit, for the Equator Initiative Award. More recently, they were awarded the Genome Savior Award. When I said nutrition, water is an important component. One side is the calorie, protein, calorie, the other side is drinking water. These are two sides of the same coin in terms of nutrition. Without drinking water, you will not be able to do it. Only yesterday was, I think, World Water Year or something. We remember water when we have World Water Year, and immediately some very big ceremonies held, like Mother's Day, Father's Day. For everything, we have to have a day to remember them. Otherwise, the other days you don't want to remember your mother or father. So I think we have come to a stage, ridiculous stage in the world. All these days have become commercial, just propaganda. Government also puts full-page advertisement for themselves, so that money also goes. And I think that's not the way to deal with water or any other issue. It has to be done at the field level by the local people. And we have now a good blueprint for a water security system, starting with local people conserving every drop of water. And it can be done, and it has been done. A number of water warriors are there. The Center for Science and Environment, Anil Agarwal, late Anil Agarwal, Sunita Narayan, have a number of books of water is everybody's business. It is not government's business, everybody's business. How do you conserve it? And so on. Safe drinking water. Parliamentary Committee on Subordinate Legislation said some years ago, 1996, water should be brought under food, as the agency responsible for supplying drinking water to the public has to ensure purity, and the statute should bind it to do so. Until now, the Urban Development Department has not accepted this recommendation of the Joint Parliamentary Committee. But I think sooner we consider water as an essential component of food. That means if one has to be supplied with food, water is equally important. Otherwise, population will be exposed to serious health hazards with no one owning any responsibility at all. I was asked last year to chair a committee on more income per drop of water. So quite a good experience, because a lot of information is available all over the country. We had recommended that in every block of the country this year, which has been called a water year, National Water Year by the Ministry of Water Resources, we should have at least with farmers participatory program of demonstrating how do you maximize income. Take, for example, simple example of saffron in Kashmir, a very high value crop. We find that if you can harvest the water and apply one irrigation at a critical time, saffron yield goes by 60%. Those of you who want to see examples of this kind, you will find it in this publication. It's a publication of the Ministry of Water Resources. Really, the report of my committee, the report of the Committee on More Crop and Income per Drop of Water. It gives examples from all over the country, in pulses, oil seeds. Today we say that price of inflation is partly due to lack of availability or high prices of pulses and oil seeds. All of them can be overcome, but there is need for a mindset change from quantity of water to the efficient use of water. In other words, all the time talking about TMC, but without asking what are you doing with that TMC, how much, what you are producing with that TMC, 1 TMC, what is the income which you get. I think unless the change from a purely quantitative dimensions of water availability to the qualitative aspects, we envy and we quote Israel all the time. Israel made the transition. If you go to Israel, I met one Keralite, Eliyahu Bezalel. He comes from Cochin, from the Jewish town Cochin. Cochin has a lot of rain. When he and his wife went to Israel for taking residence,